In this video, I'll show you how to connect a domain to Squarespace. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening the website you want to connect to your domain. Once you're inside the Squarespace dashboard, make sure your website is ready to be published. Next, open the Settings menu and click Domains. This is where you'll manage all domain-related settings for your website. After that, click Use a domain I own if you purchased your domain from another registrar such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or another provider. If you purchased your domain directly through Squarespace, much of the setup may already be completed automatically. Now, enter your domain name and click Continue. Squarespace will display the DNS records required to connect your domain. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to your domain registrar account. Locate the DNS Management, DNS Settings, or Zone Editor section for your domain. After that, add or update the DNS records exactly as provided by Squarespace. This usually includes one or more CNAME records and several A records. Be careful when entering these values because even a small mistake can prevent the domain from connecting properly. Now, save your DNS changes at the domain registrar. DNS updates can take some time to propagate across the internet. In some cases, the connection may happen within minutes, while other times it can take up to 48 hours. Next, return to Squarespace and click Refresh or Check Connection. Squarespace will verify the DNS records and confirm when the domain is connected successfully. After that, choose whether you want the root domain, such as yourdomain.com, or the www version, such as www.yourdomain.com, to be your primary domain. Squarespace will automatically redirect visitors to your preferred version. Now, test your domain by entering it into a web browser. If the connection is complete, your Squarespace website should load using your custom domain name. Next, review your SSL settings. Squarespace automatically provides SSL certificates for connected domains, helping secure your website with HTTPS. Make sure the secure connection is active before sharing your website publicly. Finally, give the domain connection a little time if it doesn't work immediately. DNS propagation delays are normal, and most connections are completed automatically once the DNS records have fully updated. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a domain to Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.